How to add product categories in Shopify 2023 complete tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we are going to be doing is we're going to be discussing how you can add products to your Shopify store, and not just any products, how you can add actual product categories to your Shopify store. And it's going to be really simple, it's going to be really easy, and it's going to be absolutely out of this world. So, what you're going to do is obviously, first of all, you're going to log in with your Shopify store. So, we're just going to go ahead and do that, and you're going to make sure that your store is fully set it up. Okay. If your store is not set it up, then please do make sure to set it up because it's absolutely critical and necessary to have a proper store and dashboard. Now, once you do that, we're gonna go ahead into our basic store. And once you're over here, basically to create product categories, you are gonna want to make sure to have a few products. Okay, if you don't have a few products, you can't really make product categories out of it, right? So you're gonna make like at least 5 to 6 products or 10 to 11 products. Like you're gonna need to have product. They could be drop shipped, they could be variants of the same thing, or a whole lot more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some random products right now just so we can get an overall idea of it. But once you've created these products, like let's say I have like this is one product, I'm just gonna click on save. Then you're gonna create another product, click on save, create another product, click on save. So this is how you're gonna add products for yourself, right? And once you write a product, like let's say I'm gonna come over here into this product, and down here in product organization, let's say I want to search a product category, and this product category, let's say I'm gonna call it shirt. Okay, so it's gonna give me shirt and tops, right? So I'm gonna add in shirt and tops. I'm gonna add this in shirt, and then you're gonna add it into a collection if you want to, and click on save. So yeah, that's how you're gonna add your products in different categories, and you can obviously add them in a bulk as well, right? So to add them in bulk, obviously the more the products you have, the more the ticks you get. So you're gonna tick all of them together, and once you do that, you can either bulk edit them, or you can get more actions and include them in the sales channel, or add them to collections, or just finally just simply click on bulk edit. And once you click on bulk edit, you're gonna get your basic option over here for categories. Just add them in the same category that you want to, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, moving on, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over to online store, and once you're into your online store, what you're gonna do over here is you're going to go over to your pages. Now, once you're into your pages, what you're going to do from here is you have quite a lot of pages. You have track your order here page, you have your contact page, but you're going to want to make sure to create a categories page for yourself, and you're also going to come over to your navigation. So in your navigation, basically, we have home, catalog, and contact, right? But I want more than that. I don't only want these things. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on add menu item, and over here we're going to, let's say I'm going to create a page called shirt, and over here it says search or paste a link, right? So the categories page that we made, or the categories page that we potentially make, you're going to add it over here or paste the link for that page. Okay, and just make sure to add the categories page over here. Make sure that it's related to the shirt category that you're adding, and that should be good to go. And if you don't know how to add a page, just come over to your pages. Okay, once you come over to your page, click on add page. Once you come on add page, you're gonna name a page whatever you want. So let's say I'm just gonna name it shirts, because obviously it's a product category page. Name the page shirts, click on save. And once you click on save, go on navigation. Once you've gone on navigation, go in main menu. Once you go in main menu, you're gonna go and add menu item. Once you go and add menu item, call the page shirts. Once you've called the page shirts, click on search or paste a link. Go on search and paste a link, and we're just gonna we're gonna write shirts because that's the page that we made. Okay, and or you can just go ahead and paste the link of the actual page. I'm just gonna go with the pages option over here that it's gonna give me. Okay, there we go, pages. And you're gonna go with the shirts page and we're gonna click on add. And once you click on add, obviously that is gonna add the shirts category. Okay. And you can actually add this category into your catalog. Like you're gonna drag it there. And if you drag it there, it becomes a drop down for catalog. And how incredible is that? So after doing this, you're just gonna go ahead and save the menu for yourself. And after you save the menu, I'm gonna show you how it looks. So you're gonna come to online store, for example, let's say over here. And as we go into the online store, it's gonna load things up for us. It's gonna look somewhat like this. But as you come up here in catalog, if people do this, you can see that in the drop down menu, it's gonna open this up. And if we go in shirts, obviously we're going to find a product section in the whole shirts place. But obviously we're going to add a whole product category, right? So how are we going to add that over here? So to add that, you're going to go into your online store. You're going to click on customize. And once you click on customize, we're just going to go into catalog. We're going to go into the shirt section. And here in the shirt section, obviously we're going to go ahead and add a section template. And over here, we're going to add featured collection. And in the featured collection, obviously, you're going to start adding the products that you have on your actual store. And once you add those featured collections and products into your store, yeah, you're essentially going to be good to go from there. And you can also just go ahead and click on save for yourself. It's really simple, really easy, and really fun stuff to get your head around. So yeah, essentially that's about it. Now, if I were to, just recap you on how to do all of this again, just know this. Go into your main section to your Shopify, log everything in. Once you're done with that, go into your main dashboard. Once you've gone to your main dashboard, from there, what you are going to be doing is you're going to import some products in. It could be through drop shipping, it could be, a custom edition by yourself. And once you've added those products in, yeah, it's going to be a piece of cake to work from there on out. So, yeah, that's the general idea of how you are going to work with a system process like this. So, yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below and I will be making more of these for you. But yeah, that's the general idea of how this works. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will see all of you next time. Goodbye.